HMS Cleaning Advanced, the performance booster for your melt shop. Improving the melt shop efficiency by cleaning sheared scrap is the driving force behind the development of the HMS Cleaning Advanced. The move to a decarbonized and more energy-efficient steel industry requires cleaner scrap, and with HMS Cleaning Advanced, SICON supplies a solution to achieve this goal. Typical HMS can contain more than 10% dirt and non-ferrous metals. Melting this scrap leads to environmental and quality problems. Besides this, the EAF efficiency suffers. SICON's solution is to clean HMS efficiently from all fines and liberated NF metals to turn typical HMS into quality scrap. SICON offers 3 different versions: HMS Cleaning Mobile, HMS Cleaning Basic, and HMS Cleaning Advanced. HMS Cleaning Mobile comes pre-installed and pre-tested, ready for operation within a couple of hours. HMS Cleaning Advanced is a premium product for constantly high throughputs of up to 300 tons per hour. The design includes platforms, stairs, etc. for a stationary operation inside steel plants. Benefits for the melt shop: significant reduction of slag, 5 to 8%. Increase of the liquid yield to 92 to 95%. Reduction of consumables. Reduction of power consumption. Reduction of the tap-to-tap times. Reduction of emissions.